Thank you, Amy. What an inspiring, powerful demo. Thank you, Chris, for being here. You saw your avatar. Now you're here in person. So thank you for joining us. Maybe to get started, why don't you share more about Stellantis, your role there,
Sure.
and give us everybody an idea of all the things you guys are doing there.
So I'm the group CDIO of Stellantis. Stellantis was formed in 2021. We are 14 global brands. Some of them you actually probably know: Jeep, Dodge, Ram, Chrysler, plus Peugeot, Fiat, etc. So we're 270,000 people. We have operations in 30 countries. We sell in 130. And a fast fact, many of our plants build a car every 45 seconds. That is the scale and the velocity of Stellantis. And that's why productivity and speed really matters for us.
Very good. I think you just saw the demo about Stellantis being fully invested in an AI platform, right? What's the most transformative outcome so far for you all? And what are the teams and your customers are seeing from that?
Well, we went all in on the ServiceNow platform. And one of the reasons we want to do that is the automotive industry is an incredibly connected business. We connect dealers to finance, to quality, to engineering, to IT. Everything is interconnected. And in a world like that, we want them to interoperate. We want to deal with multiple languages. Speed in the customer is essential. So one of the big changes we've made is we started to connect our dealers and how they identify faults, calibrate faults, and repair them. Because at the end of the day, you don't go to a dealer to get your car fixed. The last thing you want to do is like calling a call center. You actually want it done as seamlessly and smooth as possible. So we're empowering our dealers to be able to find resolution faults, engage with us, find the fastest way and the cheapest way to solve the customer's fault and the customer's car fault and get it back up running.
And putting AI to work for people has been a core theme this week. You saw some of the announcements we've been making there. How are you thinking about bringing digital workforce of AI agents to empower your teams? I mean, how will they impact your car flow?
Because we've come from 14 brands, we've had to do a lot of investment in converging those digital processes. That is an opportunity for us, because as we've been converging to single processes worldwide, we see the opportunity to remove a step, change a step, automate a decision, or augment a decision with AI. We're using it literally everywhere. And we were one of the first people that when we bought the ServiceNow platform, we had AI at a foundational level. And we did that choicefully because actually we wanted to encourage the adoption across the organization, not just specific groups of people.
Right, and as you invest in a lot of the AI platform-related stuff and the human agent and AI agents all coming together, are you seeing a lot of new interesting roadmap evolve as well?
And what we see is an incredible momentum building. We've got over the initial sort of fear factor, and people are starting to use it, adopt it, create tangible value. It's less of a threat, more of a way to enhance their productivity, enhance their job satisfaction. And so, it's taking off at Stellantis. We use it in so many places. I'll give you an example. In Europe, 85% of our cars are scheduled and loaded onto transporters using AI. It's faster, we connect to the customer needs, and we get higher quality. So, places like that, we are really transforming across the board.
Very good. Thank you, Chris. We are incredibly proud to be your partner as you do the business transformation at Stellantis. So thank you again for joining us, and appreciate your time and the partnership.
My pleasure.
Thank you, Chris.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. All right. All right. So at ServiceNow, our mission is crystal clear. We are to deliver cutting-edge innovation and embed AI in every part of business. The ServiceNow AI platform seamlessly unites AI, data, and workflows within the enterprise-grade platform you already trust and count on every day. But great technology alone isn't enough. Real business transformation happens when groundbreaking technology meets deep customer commitment and trusted partnerships. And that's why we build an extraordinary ecosystem of world-class partners like Deloitte, Accenture, and Cognizant to give you unparalleled choice, flexibility, and control as you navigate your agentic AI journey. We know you can't adopt everything immediately, but you can count on us to be ready when you are ready. We continue to make sure that all the products keep improving and you keep getting value from all your existing investments in ServiceNow platform. Everything we build at ServiceNow is rooted in our gratitude for you. And we measure our success by the impact we help you achieve. So let me close by saying thank you for your trust, your partnership, and your incredible stories of innovation. Now, let's not just talk about the future, let's create it. Let's put AI to work for your people and deliver outcomes that reshape your business together. Thank you for making my first Knowledge event memorable, and have a wonderful rest of the event, and thank you all for joining us.